It's true that, like many others, she may decide to stay. Even if that happens and she pulls away from you, you still did the right thing. Yeah, watching you being blindsided by that, like, oh my god, that would be harder to do.
Right.
They said it's really fun, except they have an entire vacuum section in the back, and if you know anything about LA, things are sandwiched really close, so it's like all the vacuum sections are right by this fence where it's residential immediately after that. Like houses and apartments. So all day those people just
My God.
every day because of that. But hey, it's an automatic car wash.
My God. That's the wrong way, dude. Jesus Christ. Look at this shit.
That's the perspective of fairness. First, the simulation as a whole in a universal level, the rules are the same in terms of physical sense. The time and civilization, societal standards that change per person is because the sandbox plays the same for everybody, and other people have been playing before you. So that's that.
Open for business, go and get it. Open for riches, so addicted. You put your soul on hold, now it goes up in it. You put your soul on hold, now it goes up in it. Hold up, listen.
Yeah, no shit.
Your motives in it, hold position. You keep speaking, thinking no one listens, so I get it. You got your ego in your hands, that's how it is.
Yeah, he's screaming. Yeah, we're on the
Don't do it, you bitch.
Florida. Felt like taking something apart that I can't put back together, or like breaking a bolt or something.
You get another bolt and you can figure it out from there.
Well, the problem with breaking a bolt usually means that you have to drill out the bolt. I saw that. That's a... What was that shit?
I don't know.
Pulling up from a burning building, I'm throwing in the shops. Colonial pressure cause a stop. Confidence is the ballot bar, I'm showing off on straight. And it's wrong.
Yo, momentum from a musical madness, move the motor controls and musical talents. Needed it.
The angry mob work. I have so much power at my fingertips.
I like to think I wasn't that mean. You only got 1 million people to go after.
It was a little mixed.
Jesus. Oh my God. Oh my fucking horn. Jesus Christ, bro.
There's porn AI, they've got weird AI porn simulation dolls. We might be like their day project, but they've also got their recreational simulation.
I take all of this again from Kurt's Kasab videos, so I'm going to parrot some things that I don't fully understand. Conceptually, the idea of a simulated...
Okay. Hello, Jesus. Just a short somewhere.
Yeah. It's not affecting anything.
Yeah, I would just start with your bulb. You haven't done that yet, right?
No.
So replace all your oh, okay. Signal bulbs. What are we doing? Somewhere in front of him?
That's him pulling over.
Are you pulling over? Jesus Christ, dude. Yeah, good fucking job, dude. It's a fucking road, my guy.